Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can use Slack as a project managing tool. So it's basically really easy. What you have to do is you gotta have Slack on your phone, your Windows PC, or your iOS, or anything as of that can use Slack. And then once you have it, you click on it, you open it, right? So it should open your workspaces. In the workspace, I'd say you could just go ahead and use, you could create dedicated channels for each project, like project design or YouTube channel, like in this case that I just created, just for the experiment or the dummy process. You go ahead and you could go ahead and talk on it, create multiple threads, pin important messages, files, or checklists. So for fast tracking tools, you could just integrate tools like Asana, Trello, or ClickUp directly into Slack as well. You'll get real-time updates and can assign tasks without switching tabs. So basically this is really easy, guys. I just go ahead and show an example. Like there's another channel. I'll go ahead and it prompts me and asks me if I want to create another if I do want to create another channel. I'll go ahead and say yes, I do want to create another channel. I'll just call it budgeting for my YouTube, right? And I'll go ahead and click on next. And it should say if I want to keep it public, private, or whatever. I want to keep it public since I want to have a lot of members understanding this channel as well. I mean this thread as well, and talking it. So that's pretty much basically it. There we go. Voila! It just created us a different project management channel as well. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.